Tory, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'm going to walk you through making this adorable Cricut Cutie, and it's like a standalone. It's so cute. What you'll want to do is get started. You'll open Cricut Design Space, go to New Projects, and then we're going to select Project. And in the category, we're going to go down to Cricut Community, and then we're going to type in Cricut and scroll down. Okay, so this is called Freestanding Cricut Cuties. So what we'll do is we'll click on this, and then we'll edit a copy. And I originally did not plan on recording this video. I was just going to do a project. So I already cut the chipboard, and it's so adorable. So I decided to record the rest of it. So I'll walk you through what I did. Unfortunately, I did not record the cutting of the chipboard, but it was super easy. All I did was you put the chipboard on the purple mat, which is a strong mat, and then the tool you use is the knife. And it's super important when you lay the chipboard on the mat I used painter's tape, and I did it on all four sides. You don't want the chipboard to move at all, so make sure it's super secure. And then it took 14 passes is what it's called. And I think it only took about 10 minutes. It actually went pretty quickly. So then the next step is just cutting the cardstock. Let's hit make it. I used an 11 by 11 piece of chipboard. It's important that you move the star wheels all the way to the right. So you'll go ahead and you'll cut this piece on the chipboard. And then the rest of it is just cardstock. And then I'll walk you through putting it together. It's so cute. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you really quick. You'll want to hit continue. There's an actual for browse all materials. There is a chipboard, and that's the one you'll select. And then I put no to calibrate. And then again, you have to use the knife tool. It reminds you here too to move the star wheels all the way to the right. Let's go ahead and move past that since I've already done it, and let's get started on putting it together. Once it was completed cutting, I did a light coat black spray paint onto the Cricut Cuties. While that was drying, I went ahead and I cut the cardstock.